Now it is time to add the event listener that will be responsible for calling the move player function. Start by adding an add event listener to the global window object. So as for the window object, I might be wrong, but if to demonstrate, and if you inspect the element, inspect the current window, and you see all these elements, so all these elements which contains is the representation of the window object. So what holds all of these elements again is the representation of the window object, and we have to access that object by writing it and then interpolating the method add event listener. And for the arguments, pass down a key down event. So key down here, and then a comma, and then parentheses and arrow function to define the functionalities of the add event listener. So key down is an event, just like the click event here. So if an event called click is what captures the mouse input, then key down event is what captures the keyboard inputs. So that is what key down event is. So we added an arrow function in here. Oops. And it says for the it says add an arrow function that uses the structuring assignment to get the key property from the event. So the event object is referring to this key down event. And to use the structure, again, we have to use the curly braces, and inside of it rather would be the key property. So we are extracting or getting the data or information from the event key down, which captures the keyboard input and would be used for the functionalities of this method, which is inside this arrow function. So that would be it. Nice.